This is really looking disastrous for me right now, but let me just see where she puts this swoop. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have another video. That's like 2 videos in the span of a week. Today's video is something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, but I've been struggling to kind of find a YouTuber that I actually would like to follow. And I wanted to make sure I followed a hair tutorial because me and the makeup department, I'm just not ready yet. I'm just not there yet. It's actually really hard finding someone with natural hair on YouTube that still has a TWA and hasn't grown it out. But in my quest to find someone, I stumbled upon this video by Alissa Ashley, who is absolutely stunning, as you can see. It was a video of her doing a slicked back kind of hairstyle with a swoop to it, and I fell in love. I'm like, damn, I really love slick back looks, so if I can achieve this, that would be amazing. And we have 2 completely different hair textures. Her hair texture is super, it looks loose, and mine is the total opposite, yeah. So we'll see how this works. Okay. It's not like I have a face full of makeup on or anything. That's cool. Just keep running down my forehead. So my hair is completely washed. It's damp and it's deep conditioned, so it's moisturized and soft. I'm just gonna hit play and let's just see how this works.
So let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Shea Moisture Curling Enhancing Smoothie.
So it looks like she's just putting it all throughout her hair, spreading it through. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I can already see that this might go badly because this Curl Enhancing Smoothie is just sitting on top of my hair. Okay, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie is in. What does she do next?
And it doesn't make your hair hard as a rock, and I don't really like rock hard hair. I only like some things hard, okay? I'm kidding.
Girl,
oh my god. And now I'm just going to spritz my hair. You can use water, but I like to use this because it smells good.
Okay, so then she uses water or some kind of nice smelling product to spritz her hair. So I'm gonna use this spray bottle that I have. It's a black castor oil and flaxseed spray bottle, but I filled it up with just plain old water. So I'm gonna spray it into my hair to keep it moisturized, like she says. I think I'm gonna move the camera because the sun is just pissing me off.
And now I'm going to take a comb and just part it out and really get my part nice and sleek.
Then she goes in with her Eco Styler gel, and I have mine right here, and she uses it to sleek down the look. So this is where it's gonna get a little interesting because I don't know how my hair is gonna respond to the word sleek. Yeah. So she uses a brush like this one and some Eco Styler gel to sleek down her hair. So I'm gonna try that right now.
And now I'm just going to take my Eco Styler olive oil gel. Eco Styler is my favorite gel. It doesn't really matter if it's clear, pink, olive. I like all of them. And I'm just going to work on slicking back my hair.
Okay, this is interesting. This looks like it might be working, but let me not jinx anything. Let me just continue. Oh my god. Ooh. She makes it look so easy in the video. Well, it probably is much simpler on her hair than mine because this brush is not getting through. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, this is stressful. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. It's just taking a lot of time, but I'm getting somewhere. This is a lot of work. Okay. That is all I got for now. Let's just move on.
And now for the top part, I'm going to switch on and off with the red brush and my comb. And I'm using the comb because I want that part to be really flat. As you can see, a lot of product is coming out at first, but then it becomes easier to comb through, which is where the leave-in conditioner comes into play because it just makes it a little bit easier on my hair.
So she says to comb this part until it is completely flat, but the more I comb it, the less flat it looks like it's getting. So, and where the hell did my part go? Oh my gosh. Okay, let me fix this part. This is really looking disastrous for me right now, but let me just see where she puts this swoop.
Now the first thing I'm going to do to make it easy for myself is just get it all nice and neat, as you see me doing here. I'm just going to make sure everything is nice and flat on my forehead.
So she makes sure everything's flat first. She pulls this part over here. Okay. Pull that part over there. Oh, wait, this is... Whoa. Whoa, hold up. This is kind of working. Oh my god. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Oh my sweet baby Jesus. This, I'm gonna calm down because this is looking like it's gonna work. Ha! Jesus. Girl, oh my god, look. Okay, guys, look. It actually swooped. Look at that. It actually laid flat when I did what she did. Alissa. Let's see what else you gotta say.
And as you can see, I'm just pushing it up and using the comb to make the swirls.
Okay, this is where it gets complicated. She's literally just taking her comb and pushing it up like this and creating a swoop. Wait a second. Okay, this is a swooping situation that I'm just gonna settle with, although I really don't like the first swoop, but whatever.
That is all you have to do. And then you have your swoops. And now I'm just taking a toothbrush and going in and detailing. You know, you can't just have, you know, just a flat style.
Let me just give you guys a close-up on the swoopage. The swoopage situation is it's not as swooped as Alyssa's hair, but it's as swooped as my hair can swoop. And I will post a picture of what it looks like when it's completely dry. Anyway, that was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Alissa Ashley and her beautiful videos. Go subscribe to her channel. She usually does a lot of makeup videos, and her like camera quality is absolutely goals. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see me react, or if you guys want to see me follow another YouTuber, just let me know and I'll try it out. Doesn't hurt to try, obviously. I will see you guys in my next video. Doodles.